Picture this, mamas. You finally made it to the resort. Your baby is peacefully sleeping in their luxury stroller, and the waiter hands you a massive, ice-cold, salt-rimmed margarita. But wait, you are breastfeeding. Does taking a sip mean you have to run back to the room and dump your hard-earned milk? Today, we are spilling the tea on the absolute truth about drinking on vacation while nursing, backed by actual science, so you can enjoy your getaway without the mom guilt. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate destination for navigating motherhood with a touch of luxury. We know that traveling with a baby is a lot of work, and sometimes, you just want to kick back by the infinity pool with a cocktail. The good news is, you absolutely can. Let us dive into the 3 things you need to know about having a drink while breastfeeding on your next luxury vacation. First up, let us bust the biggest myth in breastfeeding history. You do not need to pump and dump. I repeat, pouring your liquid gold down the drain does not get the alcohol out of your system any faster. The FDA and the CDC guidelines are clear. Alcohol leaves your breast milk exactly the same way it leaves your bloodstream. Once you feel completely normal and sober, your milk is generally safe for your baby again. The golden rule is to wait about 2 hours for every single standard drink you consume before you nurse or pump. Second, we need to talk about Margarita math. A standard drink is 1.5 ounces of liquor. But let us be real, that bougie, handcrafted resort Margarita probably has a double shot of premium tequila in it. If you are throwing back a double, you need to wait at least 4 hours before feeding your baby. This is where your high-end gear becomes a total game changer. Before you even order that drink, pump a fresh bottle and store it in your Ceres Chill. This luxury travel chiller keeps your milk perfectly ice-cold for 20 hours, saving you from running back to the mini fridge. You can feed your baby that perfectly safe, pre-pumped milk right there on your designer beach towel while you sip your drink. Finally, if you want absolute peace of mind while racking up those airline miles, pack some breast milk alcohol test strips in your Prada diaper bag. Brands like Frida Mom make these tiny, inexpensive strips that take the guesswork out of vacation drinking. You just put a drop of breast milk on the strip, and it changes color if alcohol is still present. It is the ultimate confidence boost for less than $20. Having a baby does not mean your luxury travel aesthetic or your vacation cocktails have to disappear. It just takes a little bit of strategy. If you loved this advice, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your favorite vacation drink. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers, mamas.